Hello everyone, this is Erica with Everything Home by Kesh. Today I'm going to be making a super fast arrangement, faster than the other ones I believe. I'm not going to be using any type of wooden base this time. I'm just going to be using this corn husk vase that I make myself with natural corn husk. I'm also going to be using this beautiful velvet ribbon, rust color. Gorgeous. I didn't show you how to make a bow because I'm pretty sure you can find other videos where you can make a better bow than this one. But even though my bow is not perfect, I love the way it looks. This is a 2-inch ribbon. So yes, I absolutely love this ribbon so much. I also bought some greenery, like fall greenery from Walmart, and this is adding all the fall vibes that I need. This is perfect for Thanksgiving as a display. You can add it to your dining table, to your coffee table, to your mantle. You can even put it on top of a mirror since it's very light. Remember, it doesn't have any type of heavy vase on the bottom. So yes, I'm also going to be using this artificial pumpkins that I bought at Dollar Tree, I believe, a few years back. And I replaced the top part with little wooden like branches, and from the bottom I added those stems left over from other projects, from all the stems that I caught from other greenery, you know what I mean. So I just added that there so we can stick the pumpkins into the corn husk, and it's looking beautiful. I'm ready for fall, you guys. I don't know about you. Comment down below and let me know if you're ready for fall. But yes, I absolutely love the way this turned out. It came out pretty long and I made this super fast. I think this is a great project if you want to try it. Even if you don't have a corn husk base, you can try it on something else. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and comment, subscribe, and tell me what you would have done different with this arrangement. Thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed day. Goodbye, guys.